Hello, hello. Today we're going to be talking about I'm always a little bit late to the game. I think there was a big controversy about this, but it's the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Hybrid Powder Foundation. There was a big controversy about this. I think her name is Michaela on TikTok, I think she was sponsored by Maybelline, and she was like, oh, this is like incredible, and it really wasn't. So I kind of want to test it out myself and see my own thoughts. I'm so clumsy with all of this stuff. I dropped this last night when I was unpackaging it, and thank God this didn't break, but the top came off and shattered. I'm so clumsy with makeup. Anyway, okay, let's jump into the description and then we'll get it on the face and start the wear test. So this is $9.79 on Amazon. I got the shade 128, which looks to be just a little bit light for me. Of course, this is like par for the course. I always pick like a too light a shade. I definitely got kind of a light shade. I'm just looking at the shade range here online. I have to sneak. Okay, so let's just read the description. Summary: get the ultimate medium to full coverage, soft matte look with Maybelline New York Superstay up to 24-hour hybrid powder foundation. This super powder with hybrid technology has the performance of a liquid with the comfort of a powder. It lasts up to 24 hours, resists sweat, water, and transfer. Medium to full coverage, soft matte finish with a weightless feel, suitable for all skin types. How to use: apply to skin and blend. Use the included sponge applicator for more full coverage or a brush for a more natural finish. So that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use a brush. Let's just grab a powder brush, put it on the face. Let's go. Wow, this is a very nice formula. It looks natural, it's mattifying. Dude, I'm into this so far. Okay, so here's the done side and the undone side. Okay, first thoughts, it's a go. Let me powder the other side. We'll see the finished look. I need a new chair. It like falls down slowly. It looks so good. I am blurred, I am mattified. It doesn't look heavy, it looks natural on the skin. We might need to be running out and getting me a new shade because this is locked. All right, we're gonna see how this wears. So you know the drill. I will be right back and I'll tell you my thoughts. Maybe we'll do a check-in. I'll see you in a moment. All right, it's been hours and hours and hours and I'm in love with this. At this point, I would say it's not as long wearing. Hold on, let me look in the mirror. I would say it's not as long wearing as they say, but I mean, it's still kind of in place and still looks really good. I am just like a little bit oily, but not as bad as I typically would be. Honestly, this is the best powder foundation that I've ever tried. Seriously, I need to get a darker color. And I'm going to be continuously wearing this because it is so good. It looks so natural, so good on the skin. It's not drying. It keeps you pretty matte. I just can't say enough good things about it. So this one is definitely a good one. We found a good one. Yes, absolutely. The best powder foundation that I've tried ever, actually. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you so much for joining me on this review. I will link below a playlist of all my other reviews so you can check those out. Hit that subscribe button to check out all my other videos upcoming. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you want me to review, what you guys want to see. I am more than happy to do all of that for you. So thank you so much again for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.